after we talked all that about the CV space, we jumped straight into realty. And as promised, Amit Sareen is joining us on the program right now. Amit Sareen, of course, is with Anant Raj Industries and the CEO and director at the company. Amit, good to have you with us, and thanks for staying on and being patient there as we came to you. Want to start by talking about that first quarter. It's gone, it's behind you, but not just Anant Raj, but across the entire industry, we did see a fair amount of pressure coming in. We did see profits falling. We did see sales falling as well. Would you say that the worst is behind you, or would you say that's your worst quarter that you expect in this particular financial year?
Well, you're right, absolutely. I guess the worst is now behind us. And, if you see our quarter, one good part in our quarter is that the rents have now started coming in. See, vis-a-vis last quarter, the rents were only 3 crores. This year, the rents have gone up to 10 crores. So that is one very good thing. And this is a stable income which is now going to take the company forward, and it's going to grow every quarter. So that is one good part. But yes, the profits have come down from last quarters and vis-a-vis the last quarter also. But overall things, I guess, are now good. They're looking up now.
All right, now comes the question that I suppose you expect me to ask you, which is about looking for any sort of distressed assets and snapping up some acquisitions in these troubled times. It is said that, of course, there could be a lot of potential targets out there right now. Is that something that you're actively looking at?
Well, not really, no. See, we are today, as it is, sitting on about 754 crores of cash with us. So we are looking at distressed assets, yes, but not through equity. The company is sitting on a very good and a healthy cash flow, and say about 300 crores out of what we have is committed towards execution of our projects, and the balance is today going to be used for picking up assets.
All right, and what are the kind of new project areas that you're getting into? Fresh projects as well as returns from existing projects. What's the picture looking like?
See, returns from existing projects. See, in the past, as you know, that we are a region-based company. In fact, that is what has really helped us today to come out of the recession part of whatever was going on in our industry. That's one. Number two, we are sitting on a good liquidity, which means last year we were we sold some good assets at very good prices, which generated good liquidity for the company. The company focused a lot on buildings. Those buildings today are ready and now getting leased, so the lease income is now starting. That's one. The number two, now the company is focusing towards the residential market. See, we feel this is a good time to enter the residential segment because rates are very low, and talking about affordable housing, we feel this is a very good time because at this time we'll be able to get the land at the right rates.
I'm not surprised, of course, to hear you talking about affordable housing at this time. As you mentioned, this is perhaps the best opportunity. The other point I want to quickly get into is you already have a board approval when it comes to fundraising. Just like the rest of the realty space, are you also going to look at the QIP route?
Well, see, we of course definitely we have a board approval, but this is going to be totally opportunity based. We have 750 of our own cash. Once we finish this, and then if we see enough opportunities to grow further, only then we'll be making use of this. So as of now, we have no plans to make use of this resolution.
All right, well, we'll wait to see if those plans do materialize. I do want to thank you for joining us here on PowerLunch. Appreciate your time, and there you heard it. In terms of realty, there is, of course, a huge opportunity still in affordable housing, something that Anant Raj wants to cash in on as well. Lots more coming up on PowerLunch, so do stay with the channel, and we want to quickly bring you up to speed with the markets as well. So that is coming up after a very short break.